Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Mehak and I love to create makeup tutorials, especially eye makeup tutorials. Most of the tutorials are beginner friendly, super easy and under 5 minutes. And if you want to learn today's eye look, then keep watching. I promise you it will take less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. The very first step is taking a pink eyeshadow and then packing it on a lid. And today I am using Huda Beauty Nude palette and I'm taking this darkish purplish color as well, and I'm just blending that shade in outer edges of my eye. If you see, I have blended pink in my crease and this dark purplish pinkish shade in my outer corner of the eye, and I'm slowly blending and diffusing it with the pink on my eyelid, and also packing this shade all over my lid because it's a really beautiful color and I want my eye look to look different, bold and pretty. And after blending these two shades, I'm going to use a peachy brownish shade. It's really pretty on eyes. When I pack it on my lid, it gives that pink hue, and I'm blending it in my crease as well. After that, I'm using this beautiful shimmer shade and I'm packing on my lid with my finger. Once I've packed this shimmer, I'm going with this pink highlighter shade in my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Also, I'm packing this shade in my center of the lid because using the lighter shade really pops your eyes and it makes your eyes look brighter. Then I'm using the same matte shades in my lower lid as well. After that, I will blend these shades and then I'm going to use glitter glue and pack it on my lid. I am using finger to pack glitter glue, and this glitter glue will help me to pack this loose glitter from Forever 52. It's that purplish pinkish loose glitter and I really love it, and I'm using the brush so that it's easier to pack. And then I'm using NYX Jumbo White Eye Pencil. If you want, you can use black as well, but I really love white with my pink eyeshadows. Then I'm using MAC Black Stack Mascara, adding some lashes from Shein. These are really bold and pretty lashes. Once you apply it, your eyes look really pretty. After this is my complete look. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and this eye look was easy to follow. If you love my content, then do subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video.